We've already explored date functions like dateTrunc and datePart. In an upcoming lesson, we'll dig into even more functions for getting value from dates. The vast majority of analysis you perform in a professional setting will have dates attached to it, but you might not be able to get value out of them if the dates are not formatted correctly. Let's say you've got 3 separate columns for day, month, and year of a given record. Problems like this are common for data that was manipulated in Excel at some point or exported from a third-party system, or even data that was just manually entered. In order to really maximize value here, you'll need to convert month names into numbers, then concatenate all of these fields together along with hyphens, and then tell the database to understand that the resulting output is a date, which you can do by using the cast function. Let's tackle the first couple steps of this first. This first step converted month names into numbers. As you can see, January comes out as 1. Now, let's concatenate that value together with the year and the day to create something that looks like a real date. For the last step, we'll cast this new field as a date format. You can see here that the database now understands this as a date and has attached the appropriate zeros to these records so that it reads properly. The cast function can be a little tricky to read, but luckily there's also a shorthand. Rather than wrapping all of this in a cast function, we can simply add 2 colons and then the data type we'd like to cast at the end of this section. The cast function is most useful for turning strings into numbers or dates. Typically, if you want to turn a number into a string, performing any type of string operation on it, like left, right, or substring, will automatically cast the data while performing the operation.